The turtle underestimates the value of fast feet.
It's Origami Time with Mr. Mayberry. Time the sword.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a turtle. First we start with the helmet base. Take the bottom right flap and fold it straight up to the top. Then take the bottom left flap and fold it right next to it, straight up to the top. Then we take the top right flap and fold it over at an angle all the way to the center. Then do the same thing to the other side. Fold it at an angle all the way to the center. Okay, next we're going to make a cut up from the bottom. There are two pieces at the bottom, two flaps. Make sure you only cut this top one. If you cut the bottom one, the turtle will have a cut on his shell, and that won't be very nice. It won't work well. So let's go ahead and we'll cut from the bottom all the way up the center to the middle. If you do this right, you should just have the two pieces right here. The bottom will not be cut. Okay, then what we're going to do is take the bottom right piece and fold it over at an angle all the way to the middle, just like we've done at the top, and then fold the bottom left all the way over, all the way to the center at an angle. So now it looks like an X down the middle. Okay, next we're going to fold this outside edge on the right to the middle, and you might have to fold these two flaps up first and then fold that to the center. The outside edge should be straight vertically, straight up and down. Then we'll fold these two flaps back. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to fold these two flaps up, fold the left side to the center, and then fold those two flaps back down to where they were. Okay, in traditional origami you would not use tape, but for this project I like to use tape to hold this center all together. So put a small piece of tape right here in the center. Okay, the bottom that has a single piece of paper here is going to be the tail, and the top, where it's a little thicker, where paper has been stacked, is going to be the head. And we're going to do basically the same process to both ends. I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm going to fold this piece straight up so that it lines up with the feet across the bottom and makes a triangle. Then I'm going to fold it back down part of the way, not all of the way, but part of the way. And so what happens is that the tail sticks out from below the shell. When I turn it over, you can see now this makes it more 3D. It looks like the tail is coming out from under the shell. Okay, we're going to repeat that process up here at the top. I'm going to fold this top flap down. We'll make an upside down triangle, and it's going to be even with the feet. And then we're going to fold part of it back up. So that when we turn it over, You can see the head peeking out from under the shell as well. So this is our project for today. A turtle. Brighten someone's day. Give your origami away.
Origami for your mommy.